Hi guys, I'm Zhonghan and welcome to Zata Yummy. Today on Zata Yummy, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make 4 different recipes with the Tefal Brilliant Steam Oven. After using the oven for a period of time, I realized that there are 7 cooking functions for you to choose from, which is so multifunctional. And for the first recipe, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make my Nutella Prata Puff. You get that puff pastry-like result by using the ingredients that you already have at home. And to get things started, preheat your Tefal Brilliant Steam Oven to 200° convection mode. Divide your prata sheet that has been slightly thawed into 2. Then, spread about a tablespoon of Nutella spread onto each piece. Lightly brush the edges of each prata with some egg wash. And then fold it up, making sure to also seal the edges with a fork. Then, brush the surface with some egg wash and bake it in the oven for about 15 minutes until golden brown. Let it cool till warm and then serve. For the second recipe, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make my bolu kukus pandan. It is so soft and fluffy, so good. Preheat your Tefal Brilliant Steam Oven to 100° steam function, making sure that the water tank is full. Blend chopped pandan leaves and milk in the blender. Then strain out about 30 ml of pandan milk. In a mixer bowl, whip eggs and sugar on high speed using an electric mixer for 10 minutes until ribbon stage. Sieve in cake flour and give it a quick whisk. Then, drizzle in pandan milk and vegetable oil. Transfer into an ungreased 6-inch non-removable round cake pan that has been lined with parchment paper at the bottom. You may drop the pan or use a skewer to raise the air bubbles out. Cover the pan entirely with cling wrap and use a rubber band to secure it, making sure that it is tight. Transfer into the preheated steam oven and steam it for about 45 minutes. Invert the cake immediately to cool down. For the third recipe, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make my Milo Huat Kueh. It's so delightful and the Milo is so fragrant. Preheat your Tefal Brilliant steam oven to 110 degrees, steam function, making sure that the water tank is full. In a bowl, dissolve Milo powder and warm water. Then, stir in vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and brown sugar. Sieve in plain flour and baking powder. Whisk until combined. Transfer into your muffin pan lined with paper liners. Each should be filling up until 90% full. You will be able to make about 10 huat kueh. Steam it in a preheated steamer at 110 degrees for about 20 minutes. Let it cool on a wire rack. You may serve it warm. Now for the last recipe, it will be my strawberry orange muffin. These are great to go with coffee or tea at any time of the day, and the aroma from the orange zest is just amazing. Preheat your Tefal Brilliant steam oven to 200 degree convection mode. In a large bowl, mix in all of the wet ingredients: melted butter, white sugar, vanilla extract, orange extract, yogurt, and eggs. Then zest in an orange for the flavor. Stir in dry ingredients, plain flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Transfer into your muffin pan lined with paper liners. Scatter some strawberries onto the pan evenly. Bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown at 200 degrees. Let it cool completely before glazing. To make the glaze, in a bowl, mix icing sugar, zest and juice of an orange until it turns into a thick liquid. Make sure not to add too much liquid, else it will be too runny. Spoon the glaze over to the muffins to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this 4 recipe I made using a Tefal Brilliant Steam Oven. For more printable recipe, be sure to check out www.thezonghan.com. Follow me on my Instagram @ZataAmi and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I see you guys soon. Bye bye!